Hi guys, in this video it's just some clips of my natural hair and where I'm at in this journey. It's actually been a year and 4 months, and I did put these pictures up on my Instagram, and I do feel it's important that we also post pictures of our natural hair, even though there is filters here. But I gotta work with what I got, and I just love where my hair is. The growth that is like phenomenal for the time that it's been. I can't wait another 3.5 years down the road to see how long it is. So guys, I'm just keeping you updated. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.